Good morning, students. Welcome to the 4th standard English class. In previous class, we have completed lesson number 5. Who is lazy? Me? Today in this video, we shall begin poem number 6. That is a letter to grown-ups. So before begin the poem, let's discuss some oral questions. Yes. How do you come to school? You all children know how you all are coming to the school? Yes, let me tell you. Many children take a school bus to and from school. Many children take a school bus to come to the school, and while going to the home also they will take school bus only. Yes or no? Then some children walk or bike to school. Some of the children will come to the school by walk. Okay. Then some parents drive their children to school. Some of the parents are going to drop their children to the school. Then some children take public transportation also. Okay. Then how are plants important to us and others? Yes, plants are really important for the planet and for all living things. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen from their leaves, which humans and other animals need to breathe. Living things need plants to live. Yes or no? Living things need plants. They eat them and live in them. Plants help us to clean water too. Yes, then what would happen if many trees are cut down? What will happen if we are going to cut down the trees? Yes, listen. Trees give out oxygen. Even because of them, we have the rains. In short, they maintain the ecological balance. If we would cut trees, what is going to happen is that pollution won't stop growing. But oxygen in the atmosphere will reduce. Another effect can be scarcity of food. How could we protect our environment? Yes, listen here. What we have to do if we want to protect our environment? Yes, we should plant a tree. Conserve water. Reduce, reuse and recycle. And we should use long lasting light bulbs. And we should drive less. We should walk more. Okay, understood? So now let's begin the poem. Yes, a letter to grown-ups. This one poem was written by Stevie Ann Wild. Okay, this one poem was written by Stevie Ann Wild. Now let me tell you about the poet. Stevie Ann Wild is a Dutch singer, songwriter. Stevie Ann started making music at a very young age. From the first moment she learned how to play the guitar, she started writing songs. In the summer of 2005, her debut album, Away From Here, was released. The album contains 12 tracks. These all written by Stevie Ann Wild. Okay, understood? Yes. Now let me read the poem. Dear grown-ups, Please leave all the flowers there. And don't cut down the trees. We need the trees to make fresh air and flowers to feed the bees. Please don't always use your car to take you everywhere because the fumes go very far and heat the atmosphere. Then soon the sun will be too hot and all the plants will die. So please get out and walk a lot to see the clear blue sky. Then we will run and jump and play and grow up strong and tall. Then we will be happy every day and we will thank you all with love from the children. Yes, this one poem was written by Stevie Ann Wild. Okay, already I told you about the poet. Okay, now let me explain the poem. A letter to grown-ups. Here the children have written the letter to adult. Okay. Yes. Dear grown-ups, please leave all the flowers there and don't cut down the trees. Yes. What the children have written in this letter? Let me tell you. Okay. Please leave all the flowers there. Here the children are requesting to the adult. Please leave all the flowers in the plants itself. Don't pluck the flowers. And as well as they are requesting here, don't cut down the trees also. What they have requested here? Not to pluck the flowers and we should not cut down the trees. Okay. Yes, moving to the next lines. We need the trees to make fresh air and flowers to feed the bees. Please don't always use your car to take you everywhere. Yes, why they told us to not to cut down the trees? Because we need the trees to make fresh air. If we are going to cut down the trees, we will not get the fresh air. So that's why here the children requested to the adult not to cut down the trees. Okay, and as well as they have requested not to pluck the flowers also. Why? Because the flowers feed the bees. Yes or no? Yes, some of the insects will come and sit on the flowers, no? Why? Because the flowers feed the bees. Okay, and please don't always use your car. Even the children are requesting here, always you people not to use the cars to take you everywhere. Wherever you people wanted to go, on that time you should not go to use the car. Why they told us to not to use the car? Yes, let's see. Okay, because the fumes go very far and heat the atmosphere. Then soon the sun will be too hot and all the plants will die. Why they told not to use the cars? Because the fumes go very far when we are going to use the vehicles. The fumes go very far. Fumes means gas. Okay. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆವಾಗ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಹೊಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ದೆನ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಮ್ will come out, it will heat the atmosphere. Atmosphere means air. When air will heat, then the sun will be too hot. When air will heat, on that time automatically the sun will be too hot. When sun will be too hot and all the plants will die. Yes or no? Yes. Then moving to the next lines. So please get out and walk a lot to see the clear blue sky. Then we will run and jump and play and grow up strong and tall. Yes. So please get out and walk a lot. What they have requested here? We should come out from the vehicles and we should walk a lot. Why? If we want to see the clear blue sky. If we are not going to use the vehicles, the fumes will not come out. Yes or no? Then we can see the clear blue sky. Yes, when we can see the clear blue sky, when the fume will not come out, then we will run. Yes or no? We can run and we can jump also and we can play also. And as well as we all will grow up strong and tall also. Yes or no? Yes, then we will be happy every day and we will thank you all with love from the children. Yes, then we will be happy every day means if we are not going to cut down the trees, if we are not going to use the cars, if we are going to walk a lot, we can see the clear blue sky and we can grow strong also. If we are going to grow strong, then we will be happy every day because if we are healthy, we will be happy every day. Yes or no? Then if you all are going to do like this and we will thank you all. Who told like this? The children told to the adult. And lastly they have written here with love from the children. If you are going to do like this, we will thank you all. Yes or no? If we will do like this, then we all will be very happy. Yes or no? Yes. What we have learnt in this poem? Yes, this poem gives us the message to keep the earth clean and green. Yes or no? Yes. Dear students, I hope you all have understood the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.